Hello, I'm Dr. Kathy Kenny, Associate Dean for Academic Affairs at the Edson College of Nursing and Health Innovation. On behalf of the faculty and staff of the college, it's my great pleasure to speak with you today. I wish we were together in person as we recognize you for this unique and major accomplishment in your life, your hard work, dedication, and resilience to complete your degree from Arizona State University. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic and the public health recommendations that come with it, the Edson College of Nursing and Health Innovation is celebrating our graduates with this virtual convocation. The format may be different, but the enthusiasm from our faculty, leadership, and staff for your success has never been more inspired, and we thank you for your participation. Now we will hear a few remarks by Edson College Dean, Dr. Judy Karshmer.
Congratulations, class of 2021. Judy Karshmer here, Dean of the Edson College of Nursing and Health Innovation, and I can't be more excited for you as you finish out your time at ASU and embark on this next part of your career, your life, your future. It's been quite a year. I had thought I'd prepare some remarks that deans usually say at graduation, but I really wanted to take this opportunity to talk directly to you. It's been a tough year. It's been hard to juggle all the things that you had to juggle, yet you've been able to power through and graduate on time. We are very proud of you, and I'm sure your family and friends are as well. I hope you're with them as you participate in this virtual convocation. President Crow has already awarded your degrees, and this is our time, our Edson family, that gets to acknowledge you and tell you how proud we are of you. And also, I would like to say how proud I am with our faculty and staff. They have also soldiered through this. It's been tough for them. We want you to be successful. Your success is what makes us look good. But what a time to choose a career in a health profession. This last year has taught us that health is something that we all are responsible for. We take seriously our commitment and our charter at ASU to be responsible for the health of our community, and we've shown that. It's been Edson faculty, staff, and students that have done testing. They've done outreach. They've done vaccination clinics. And in fact, I'm sure some of you participated in that. Thank you. I know for me, being able to be part of the vaccination clinic on the ASU campus was one of the highlights of this spring. People were so grateful, and I am so grateful to you for your participation in this, as well as all the other experiences, the outreach that you've had. At this time, I want to make sure that I thank your family and friends, our faculty and staff, and you. It is the case that your future is in your hands, and I hope that we've participated to help you get where your future wants to take you. You're going to forever be a Sun Devil. We want you to come back and see us. Very soon, we'll have a chance to do some in-person experiences again, and we want you to be there. Please stay in touch. Please know that you need to trust yourself, trust your education. It's something that can never be let go. It can't be outsourced, and it's something that you will carry with you forever. So congratulations, Sun Devil, and well done.
Thank you, Dean Karshmer. You have earned a degree from Arizona State University, ranked #1 in the United States as the most innovative university by U.S. News and World Report for the 6th year in a row as of September 2020. At the Edson College of Nursing and Health Innovation, we're proud to offer many innovative nursing and health-related degrees. The PhD is the highest and most prestigious academic degree awarded at this university, in this country, and across the globe. This degree program in nursing and healthcare innovation helps address a national need for faculty and researchers, positions which are increasingly in short supply. The Doctor of Nursing Practice degree, the highest practice degree in nursing, prepares nurse practitioners and nurse leaders to impact health outcomes of individuals and complex systems. The master's degrees that we offer prepare graduates with a high level of expertise in a specific field of study or professional practice and include Master of Healthcare Innovation, Master of Science in Clinical Research Management, Master of Science in Clinical Research Management Regulatory Science, Master of Science in Nursing, and our newest degree offering, the Master of Science in Aging. We offer many unique academic paths leading to the Bachelor of Science in Nursing, including the traditional pre-licensure, RN to BSN, and concurrent enrollment programs, or CEP as we call it, and a post-baccalaureate Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Recognizing the changing and complex healthcare needs of our country and globally, we offer innovative Bachelor of Science degrees in community health, healthcare coordination, healthcare compliance and regulation, health entrepreneurship and innovation, and integrative health. Some graduates are awarded honor cords that signify graduating from the university with a high academic grade point average, or GPA. Students with a cumulative GPA of at least 3.4 on a 4.0 scale receive an honor cord. Membership in Sigma Theta Tau International Nursing Honor Society is recognized with a purple and white cord, and students who are part of the concurrent enrollment program are recognized with a green cord. Graduates from our Bachelor of Science in Nursing programs wear an Edson College nursing pin as recognition of the completion of their program. A long-standing tradition in nursing, the pin identifies the nursing school from which the registered nurse graduated. At the Edson College, we are pleased to honor students who have been selected as outstanding graduates within their degree programs. Selection of these students is determined by a committee of program faculty utilizing specific selection criteria to recognize our outstanding graduates. There are 22 of you being recognized today. The categories of recognition include Outstanding Scholar, Outstanding Representative of Professional Leadership and Involvement, and Outstanding Representative of Community Involvement. At the Edson College, we are pleased to offer the Daisy Award for Extraordinary Nursing Faculty. These awards are offered in partnership with the Daisy Foundation, which was established in 1999 to honor the death of Patrick J. Barnes, who passed away from complications related to an autoimmune disorder. His parents, Mark and Bonnie Barnes, established the Daisy Foundation, which is an acronym that stands for Diseases Attacking the Immune System. To honor his memory, the foundation was established to recognize the extremely compassionate and extraordinary nursing care he received in the final weeks of his life. Over the past 20 years, the Daisy Foundation has put in place a process for recognizing nurses, leaders, faculty, and students. The Daisy Recognition Program is in over 2,500 organizations all across the world and has made a significant impact in honoring nursing skills, compassion, and kindness so that they can see the powerful difference they make in the lives of others. The first award is the Daisy Award for Extraordinary Faculty. This award is being given to 2 faculty members that serve as role models to professional nursing and demonstrate enthusiasm for teaching, learning, and nursing so that they inspire and motivate students. I'd like to announce that Cynthia Holcomb was selected as our first recipient of the Daisy Award for Extraordinary Faculty. Professor Holcomb was nominated by one of her faculty colleagues. Here's an excerpt of her nomination. It is an honor to nominate Cindy Holcomb for the Daisy Faculty Award. Cindy is retiring, and we wish to honor her 43 years in nursing and 16 years as a nurse educator here at ASU. Her genuine caring for student success and for each student's overall well-being is a constant. To new faculty, she's a patient mentor to ensure they are successful in their new role as nurse educators. Her dedication to teaching excellence is evident in her meticulous course preparation and delivery. Her courses are high quality and provide meaningful, nurturing, and safe learning environments. One student stated, "Professor Holcomb is one of the most genuine, kind-hearted professors I've ever had. She will help you succeed and provide multiple resources to help you. If I was a patient, I would want her to be my nurse." Congratulations, Cindy. Dr. Cheryl Schmidt was also selected as a recipient of the Daisy Award for Extraordinary Faculty. Dr. Schmidt was nominated by one of her students. Here's an excerpt of her nomination. Dr. Cheryl Schmidt's focus is the students. Not limited to the classroom, she's also the faculty support for Arizona chapter of the National Student Nurses Association. Dr. Schmidt co-authored the American Red Cross Disaster and Health Sheltering course, which has prepared 6,000 students throughout the United States to serve as Red Cross volunteers. Pre-licensure students accepted to clinical sites are now required to bring their own N95 masks, which is part of the personal protective equipment. Dr. Schmidt is one of 2 faculty certified to fit these masks, has offered time to reach all students in need. Dr. Schmidt tirelessly works for others. She consistently puts the student and her faculty colleagues first. Dr. Schmidt volunteered for many hours with students at COVID testing sites, and she's now volunteering at different vaccination sites to provide students with learning opportunities. She builds students' confidence to be successful. Congratulations, Dr. Schmidt. This past year, I have seen an extraordinary response to the call to action by so many, our students, faculty, and staff, for which I am so proud. I wish I could individually recognize all of you. You know who you are. And please know that you have made an exquisite difference. We are now delighted to present this video of select graduates speaking about their time at Edson College.
I had worked as a floor nurse for a few years. About 2 years ago, I decided that, my mind's getting a little bit rusty. I need to see what else there is out there. And I looked at, all the different types of programs, and I decided that the health innovation looked really good to me because at that point in time, and even now, I work for a company that provides travel immunizations and counseling to people traveling internationally. And we also do a lot of wellness and things like that. And I'm always looking for something new and something different to add to our mix. A nurse does not have to be just work with on the floor with patients anymore. It used to be that that's what you needed to do and that's what you had to do. I'm always somebody who's like always thought outside of the box. How can we do something better? How can we add something to what we're currently doing? So it just kind of fit with how my mentality usually was. It's just really honed a lot of skills that I never would have worked on before.
I feel like community health has taught me anyway, so much about like diversity and the each and every change or difference that you see between each community, whether it be like, just male to female, the older community, a Native American community, like any ethnic background or even regionally or just around the world. Like you learn so many different health disparities and how to counteract that. And I'm Native American, and I've really enjoyed learning a lot about the Native American culture in history in healthcare, as well as like currently and like what there is to be done to like help the Native American community thrive wherever they may be, whether it's in like a reservation or in Phoenix or in Alaska or wherever it may be.
So I started out working as a receptionist in a mental health clinic, and I loved working with the patients and I loved the organizational aspect. And then once I started really getting into it, I realized I love this job. I just kind of wish I was paid a little bit more. And so I went to my boss and I said, how do I do what you do? And she said, go back and finish your degree, and then you can, the possibilities are going to be endless at that point. So I decided to go back to school full-time while still working full-time. And as I started getting in there, I was kind of just doing administrative things. And then I kind of fell into innovation, and I realized how much I loved the research aspect of healthcare. A lot of the classes have kind of focused a little bit on the business aspect, just because we're all future hopeful healthcare professionals. And so there's a lot of how to work in teams and how to manage in teams and how to play to your strengths and realize other people's strengths. But then there's also the healthcare aspect where we've gotten really into looking at research and determining what it means and where the current gaps in research are and how we might be able to fill those gaps. And so that's been a really cool way to look at the material we've been provided to try and come up with a different approach to things or find out what hasn't been invented and can we invent it. So that's been really cool.
I had a lot of, in a sense, mentors, a lot of inspirations. I have an aunt in Mexico who's a nurse. I have 2 family friends that are also nurses, and I just loved their attitudes, their personalities, and I thought, I want to be like them. And then being a first-generation college student, I wanted to really make my parents proud. I'm Mexican, so I really wanted to, kind of increase those numbers in the Hispanic community. Be another one of those who will be in the nursing field. In addition to helping with that, I want to increase since nursing is in demand in the United States, I wanted to help our country because they need us. And then, of course, I'm sure you've heard from other nursing students that we want to help others, and yes, it's a very beautiful thought. My thing is, I feel like just health is so important, and you can choose any route in the health field, and I decided to choose nursing because of that direct patient contact. It's a beautiful, for me, it's a beautiful career because there are so many options you can head with nursing.
I started out as a biological sciences major, but then decided I think that nursing was a better route for me personally at the time. And so in order to do that, I had to transfer majors, which means I transferred from Tempe to downtown. And then I got an email from somebody that I worked with during my undergrad when I started this organization for students. And her name is Nancy Kiernan. We kept in touch, and she let me know that the Master's Entry to Nursing Practice Program, or MEPN for short, was starting out in the fall, and she felt that I would be a really good candidate to apply. So, long story short, I think, it was really about timing, and it really worked out because, again, I got to pursue my passion and really harness my love for education, but also grow in what I care about as far as being a health professional. I think the main thing that Edson really did for me was give me opportunities that I would have never had otherwise. With opportunities, it's what you make of it. You can be given an opportunity, but whatever you choose to do with it makes all the difference.
One of the questions I really get asked all the time is, what is the difference between a physician assistant and a nurse practitioner? Which one is better? And I always respond with the same answer, that it's not about the profession. It's about the individual and how much they put into what they're passionate about. Edson College of Nursing and Health Innovation just fosters that drive, and they put you in a place where you're surrounded with people who are constantly pushing for the same goal. And they challenge you, and they make you better, and they support you at the same time. That atmosphere of encouragement, that bubble, the atmosphere of, you got this, you can do this, that really just makes you want to do better and give more to your profession. And by doing that, you will have an impact on that. By being passionate about what you do and being knowledgeable in what you do, you can change the direction of health. Here in the state of Arizona, a nurse practitioner can practice independently in a family setting. And with that, I plan to take that outside of the emergency department, outside of the healthcare system in general, and really get involved in the organizations and communities that surround me, especially with our LGBTQ youth and other underserved populations, so that I can offer some of what I've learned and some of what I've gained and give it back to our community.
Thank you all for representing your fellow graduates and sharing your inspiring insights with us. Today we honor and recognize all graduates in the Edson College, and are so very proud of your achievements throughout your academic journey with us. And what a journey this past year has been. A time of rapid and unexpected changes. We're grateful for your flexibility and strength to rise to the call of action that required this past year.
We have one objective: to successfully enable those things that you dream about, to help you to be able to move through this phase of your life. Your success is our success. Empowerment is your success. We have no other reason for existence. We are here to help you. We are an institution measured on who we include versus who we exclude, and how those students succeed.
Would likely conclude, that's the way it is.
ASU makes history here in Tempe, Arizona on a spectacular fall night.
eventually, if we want to stabilize the CO2,
just coming into our newsroom. Starting Monday, ASU is moving all of its in-person classes to online classes in order to protect students from the coronavirus. President Michael Crow announced this.
2020 has thrown us a couple curveballs.
I have a professor, love her heart. Her name is Marcia, and she's 73. And I did not think she was going to be able to figure it out, but she isn't doing anything.
President, safely.
As an institution of higher learning, we are confident that we prepared you, and prepared you well, to achieve your professional aspirations and to be successful in your life. We will follow you and your career with special pride. Please come back and see us, and come back often. Our Edson College Alumni Relations Coordinator, Angie Haskevec, is here to speak to you about opportunities as an Edson Alumni Association member.
Hi, I'm Angie Haskevec, the Alumni Relations Coordinator here at the College of Nursing and Health Innovation. You, as a student, have climbed the ranks, writing papers, finishing your clinicals, and wrapping up those final exams. We know you've worked hard. As you're nearing that ending stage of your time as a student, today I want to share with you information about the benefits available to you as an alum of our college. We know it's taken a lot of effort for you to get to this point, and some of you may be feeling anxious about what comes next. If that's you, don't worry, it's 100% normal, and we're here to help. If you're like me, meeting new people and building new friendships, it's some of the most valuable experiences you will take away as your time as a student. Whether you're looking for jobs or exploring graduate programs, we want you to stay in touch. There are many tools available to help you succeed. From networking workshops to resume writing, we've got your back. We'll also let you know about important socials like class reunions and the homecoming activities. While you might be leaving the college, we won't leave you. Come back, stop by, and share your experiences with us. And make sure to update your contact information so we can stay in touch. At the end of this video, there are some specific things we'd like you to do to ensure that we can be in touch, including the graduate survey. Please complete that so we know how to best serve you. Congratulations on your graduation, and go Sun Devils!
Thank you, Angie. Remember that you will always be part of the Edson College family and that our relationship with you does not end here. It's important to stay connected to ASU and the Edson College of Nursing and Health Innovation so you do not miss all of the exciting and innovative initiatives we're implementing. As you already know, your college is a vibrant and busy place, and we need you to help continue our important work to positively impact health. Make sure you update your contact information, follow and like the Edson College on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And please, share your accomplishments with us as you progress in your career. One of our greatest rewards as faculty is to hear of your successes. Congratulations, and thank you for being with us today.
Congratulations to the class of 2021.